One rule of adventure is that you respect whoever you find in their natural habitat. You respect whoever you find. Okay? You don't bother the people you find. You don't bother the animals you find. Whoever you find in their natural habitat, just don't mess with them. Some beautiful place over here, deserted, very few signs of life. There is some crazy hill climbing over here. If you make a mistake here, then you're going to have some serious problem to worry about. Yeah, let me show you this. Here you go. If you stall here, you will have a very serious problem. Oh no, oh no. What the heck? That is not even what I was expecting. That's not even what I was expecting. Turn off the engine, I don't want to scare anyone here. One rule of adventure is that you respect whoever you find in their natural habitat. You respect whoever you find. Okay? You don't bother the people you find. You don't bother the animals you find. Whoever you find in their natural habitat, just don't mess with them. It is very simple. If you want to keep traveling and you want to mingle with the people, you want to enjoy adventure, you must learn this one simple rule, that you do not bother whoever you find wherever you go. Yeah? Don't bother them. Just give them a time to do whatever they are doing. With no time they will be done. Then you can continue with your shenanigans. And here we have some very beautiful animals. Look at these cows, man. Very beautiful cows. Very, very beautiful cows. Ah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Ah, very, very beautiful. Life of an adventure rider. Very beautiful stuff. This is Longonot Mountain. We are in Naivasha sub-county of Nakuru County. The most beautiful part of the country, Kenya. Yeah, with mountains, with lakes, wild animals, Yeah. I don't even know if I have any way of going back to the highway. Or how the heck I'm going to get out of here. And as the white man along Babylon and born. Oh yes, he's in our place. Again, you don't bother them because they are not bothering you. Just let them go wherever the hell they are going. Turn off the engine, I don't want to scare anyone here. I'm listening to some mighty culture reggae music. Jah Rastafari. Yeah. Just train yourself not to bother the people you find. Just say hi and go your way. You don't know them. They don't know you. They have no business with you. You have no business with them. This is Longonot Mountains in Naivasha. This is beautiful. looks like some way. Ah, the highway is just here. Ah, finally. Finally, the highway is just here. The highway is on this side, Mount Longonot is on the other side. And now that's the SGR, the standard gauge railway, running from Mombasa to Naivasha.